Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase Edge Functions for AI automation APIs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Supabase Edge Functions for AI automation APIs, first, create a Supabase account if you haven't already. After logging into your Supabase dashboard, create a new project. Once the project is set up, navigate to the API section in the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the URL and the anon key necessary for making authenticated requests. Next, make sure you enable Edge Functions by navigating to the Functions section in your project dashboard. Click on Create Function to start a new Edge function. In the new function, use the provided template to build your function logic. To authenticate, you'll need to set up your environment variables, including the Supabase URL and anon key. Now, you can define your authentication strategy within the function. Make sure to include the necessary libraries in your function, such as at Supabase/Supabase.js. Use the createClient method to instantiate a Supabase client with your URL and anon key. Set up your route handler to receive and process incoming requests. Extract any necessary credentials or tokens from the request to validate the user. Implement your authentication and authorization logic within the function. Once your function is properly configured, deploy it to make it available for use. To test, invoke the Edge function using a tool like Postman or through your front-end application. Check the response to ensure your authentication process is working as intended. Finally, monitor the performance and logs of your Edge function in the Supabase dashboard for any issues. This streamlined setup will allow you to integrate AI automation APIs seamlessly with Supabase Edge Functions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.